Good morning, everyone. We have got more three-dimensional shapes today that we're finding the volume of, except this time we are doing cylinders and triangular prisms. So problem number one is a cylinder, so I'm going to go ahead and start out with that. The first thing that we need to do is we need to find the area of the circle. Okay, so the circle's like right here. Right. Once we find the area of the circle, we can multiply it by how far up it goes. Okay, so in this case, that would be 8. But we'll get to that later. We're going to start by finding the area of the circle. So, area of the circle, if you guys remember that formula, that is radius squared, not pi squared, is radius squared times pi. Right. So it's all based on the radius. The radius is the distance from the middle of the circle to the outside, which in this case it gives us. Be careful on some of these. It gives you the diameter, which is all the way across the circle. So be watching out for that. So in this case, 6 is our radius. So we've got 6 squared times pi. And then I'm going to go ahead and plug that into my calculator. So 6 times 6 is 36. Then we're going to say 36 times pi. I'm just going to use 3.14 for pi. And it gives me 113.04. Okay. So 113.04 is the area of the circle. Then we're going to take that and we're going to multiply it by the height of the cylinder, how far up that circle stretches. So that's going to be 113.04 times 8, which is 904.32, and then cubic centimeters. Remember to keep that label on there. Okay, so that is the answer to our first problem. On these cylinders, you're generally going to get some fairly high numbers because you're squaring something and then you're multiplying something times pi. So don't be off guard with those giant numbers that you guys get. Okay. The other one that I'm going to do is problem number 3 because it's a triangular prism, and this one's one of the more odd-looking ones. This one's actually standing up on top of the triangle, if you guys can tell that. Okay, so this is actually the triangle right here. Okay. And then this is the opposite triangular face. Okay. And so what we're going to do is we're going to find the area of that triangle. Okay, so we're going to find the area of this right here. Then we're going to multiply the area of that triangle by how far up it goes, how far it's stretched vertically. Okay? So in that case, it would be 8. We'll get to that later, but we're going to start by finding the area of the triangle. So I thought it might help to draw the triangle out over here for you guys. So if we do that, if you guys notice, actually that wasn't a good representation of it. That's probably better. Okay. So we've got a right angle right here, and we've got a 4 right here, and a 4 right here. So if you guys notice, 4 is both the base and the height of this triangle. And you guys remember that how to find the area of the triangle, base times height divided by 2. So we're going to say 4 times 4 divided by 2, which would be 16 divided by 2, which is 8. So 8 is the area of our triangle. Then we're going to multiply it by how far it's stretched, which is 8. So we're going to say 8 times 8 is equal to 64 cubic inches. That would be your answer for number 3. All right. Hopefully that helped you guys. I will see you all tomorrow.